Bill Schneider here from Rapido Trains Inc. And we have our next installment of cars that I need for my layout. In today's episode, the X-3 tank car. So it looks like our local crew has inexplicably set out two tank cars here at the local feed mill, but does give us a chance to take a quick look at the models. These are 10,000 gallon X-3 tank cars. They were built by Union Tank Car Company. They were built in the 1920s, and they lasted well up into the 1970s. There are numerous photos of these running around with ACI labels on them. It's an amazingly long lifespan. There are almost 13,000 of these made, and they were very colorful, as long as you like black. It was much like the Model T. You could have them in any color, as long as it was black. But like the Model T, these things got everywhere. They went all over the US, they went all over Canada. These were used in oil service, they were used in food service, basically anything that did not require a specialized installation or specialized handling. So we're doing two different versions of these cars. We're doing the original cars that were built with K-brakes, which is the car in the background here, and the cars that were later upgraded to the AB brake systems, which started happening right around World War II, and then they continued through the rest of their service life with the AB brakes. In addition to the brake parts underneath, there are also some subtle differences on the ends of the cars. The K-brake, as you can see, the brake staff is inset into the end of the car, and on the AB brake, different end sill, and the brake staff is proud of the end of the car. Since I model the O&W, there's nothing like a good wreck scene, but this does show off very nicely the underbody detail on these cars. The car on the left has the AB brake system. It's modified. The car on the right is the as-built K-brake system. These cars come with wire handrails, photo etched stirrup steps, a number of wire parts underneath, our semi-scale knuckle couplers, and free-rolling metal wheel sets. We have both Andrews and cast metal trucks. How free-rolling? My crews are going to love spotting these. So there we have it, the UTLX X3 tank car. It's a model that everybody needs if you model a time period anywhere from the 1920s right up until the 1970s. The order deadline is fast coming up on these. Make sure you get your orders in with your retailer or direct through Rapido Trains through our website at rapidotrains.com. And thank you for your time.